So just as an introduction, I want to go over with everybody what should you be thinking about as you are getting ready to write your personal statement? What is the purpose of your personal statement? So, the personal statement is the place where you get to not only write about your distinctive experiences, your distinctive motivations, and why you are a strong candidate for medical school, but it is also the place where you get to write about your background, those aspects of who you are and what is important to you that may not show up anywhere else in your medical school application. And this is often why the medical school personal statement is going to stand out, because it's going to highlight some things that the reader can't find anywhere else in your application at all. Okay. It also is going to give the reader an idea of who you are as a human being, right? So a reader can look through your coursework, they can look through your transcript, they can read your letters of recommendation, they can read your activities, but they won't necessarily get a sense, a flavor of who you are as a human being. So that's really what we want to be communicating in the medical school personal statement, in addition to why you are going to be an outstanding applicant. And by making your medical school personal statement really interesting and giving it a human interest element, that is going to make it compelling. And something you're probably going to hear me say over and over again is that the most interesting personal statements are those that elicit emotion and feeling in your reader. They inspire your reader to want to meet you. So that really becomes a primary goal of the medical school personal statement. You want to highlight your background. You want to highlight your unique qualities, your unique experiences, and your unique insights and observations. And this is why no two medical school personal statements are the same, because no two people have the exact same path. Take your time, because writing a great medical school personal statement is not a simple feat. It takes time, it takes consideration.